Hello everyone, and today we are having another parcel for unboxing. So let's quickly open this. Okay, that's all inside, nothing more. So let's open this small one now. So here we have some three foreign silver coins. You can see this is two coins of 1 francs. The year is 1956 and 1963. So this of two coins, and this one is 100 shilling of Austria for commemorating the Olympics of 1976, but issued during the year 1974. So this is a silver coin, another collection. Okay, so let's quickly open next. Okay, that's all. So inside we have another two silver coins. So this is a Italy two-layer coin of 1916. You can see the year here. So this also silver coin, and the next one we have here is 50 Pennia 1916. Actually, in previous video I have shared a 25 Pennia of same, like almost the same year. So this will be as a set for sale. So totally we have 5 silver coins. So that's all for now guys. Nothing more in. Hit the like button.